Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Creating a table in Python can be done using various libraries, but one popular choice is using the PrettyTable library. It allows you to create visually appealing ASCII tables easily. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the installation process, basic usage, and customization of tables using PrettyTable. Firstly, you need to install the PrettyTable library. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Now, let's create a Python script and start by importing the PrettyTable module. Next, create an instance of PrettyTable and add columns to it. You can then populate the table with data. To display the table, simply print the PrettyTable object. You can customize the table by setting various properties, such as aligning columns, changing borders, and adding a title. Now you have a basic understanding of how to create and customize tables using the PrettyTable library in Python. You can explore more customization options provided by the library in its documentation, PrettyTable documentation. Feel free to experiment with different options and enhance the appearance of your tables based on your specific needs. Happy coding! ChatGPT